Yashasvi Jaiswal slams sixth Test century, sends flying kisses to Rohit Sharma in heartwarming tribute in a defining moment at the Oval. Yashasvi Jaiswal etched another chapter into his flourishing Test career by notching up his sixth century in just his 14th match. The young opener's sublime knock not only anchored India's innings against England but also delivered an emotional tribute to his idol, Rohit Sharma. As he reached the three-figure mark with a crisp boundary, Jaiswal took off his helmet, raised his bat, and turned toward the Indian dressing room. What followed melted hearts across the cricketing world, a series of flying kisses aimed directly at Rohit Sharma, who stood applauding from the balcony. The gesture, captured instantly by cameras, was a powerful expression of gratitude. Rohit, with a smile on his face, responded with a gentle clap, acknowledging the bond he shares with India's emerging superstar. The moment summed up the mentorship, mutual respect, and admiration that has flourished between the two. Jaiswal had been anchoring the Indian innings in the second essay superbly and reached the milestone after the lunch break on day 3. It was the 51st over when he guided Gus Atkinson's back-off-length delivery behind square and took a single to get to his second 100 in the ongoing series. Jaiswal took off his helmet and gloves, blew flying kisses towards the dressing room and made a heart gesture with his hand. Jaiswal started off the 5-match Test series against England at Headingley in Leeds with a terrific century, but as the series progressed, there was a dip in his form. Even though Jaiswal was consistently scoring runs for India, he was unable to match the expectations of the fans as well as the team management. After hitting a tone in Leeds, he hit 250s at Edgbaston in Birmingham and Old Trafford in Manchester. Then, in the first innings of the 5th Test at the Kennington Oval in London, he fell for just 2 runs. However, the batter brought out his best in India's final innings with the bat on tour and made sure to finish off the series on a high inning.
Extra time! Extra time!